Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Negative 2x we can put into negative 5x plus 3x. This one we need to expand. Next, we can do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 5. This one by x. This one by negative number 5. So this one and this one we can do about factorization. This one and this one we can do another factorization. Now we need to simplify x minus number 5 on numerator and denominator. And now I will put number 5 going here and here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.